Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Enzyme. Enzyme is setting up for a very big move because it has formed a very big falling wedge pattern and now the movement is quite squeezed, and in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Enzyme that I shared a few days back on 21st of September 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the current month of September 2023 in the video's description. You can also watch that report as well. Now, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Enzyme that I shared a few days back on 21st of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Enzyme formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was moving at the very end of this buying zone. And by the way, if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone, almost 2.4% down, and then recovered very soon. And then we had almost 54%, very massive rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that was also formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone here. And this was almost 22% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Enzyme, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after August 2021, the price line is moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got several ejections here, then we got rejection here, then we got rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that is just happened here on the current week. And we got several bounces from the support as well. Like here we had a bounce, here we had another bounce, and this was another bounce, and this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of August 2023. And after this bounce, the price then imminently moved up to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see while the price then is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern, at the same time, it is also struggling to break out this resistance of $18 as well. And this level has been breaking as a very strong support here, and support here. And it was also breaking as a support here as well. And you can see after this breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance level. Therefore, again, price line is not able to break out this level so far. And once the price line will be able to break out this crisscross of the resistance levels, the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and this resistance of $18, then an imminent move can be possible up to the next long-term resistance of $27 as well, that has been previously working as a resistance here, and therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And by the way, the final target after this breakout, the long-term target for this falling wedge pattern breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That is between $180 to $200. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.